Hello and welcome. Today we are going to delve into the SQL LIKE operator. We will explore how to use like and wildcards for pattern matching in your SQL queries. So what exactly is the LIKE operator? Well, it is a SQL operator that is used for pattern matching within a column. It allows you to search for specific patterns in string data. It works primarily with string data types such as char, varchar, and text. For added flexibility, the LIKE operator can be combined with wildcard characters to broaden or refine your search. Let's take a look at the basic syntax of the LIKE operator. You'll use select to specify the columns you want to retrieve, followed by from to indicate the table. The where clause is where you'll implement the LIKE operator along with the column name and the pattern you're searching for, enclosed in single quotes. Some database management systems offer ILIKE for case-insensitive matching. Keep in mind that the availability of the ILIKE depends on the specific database system you are using. For example, PostgreSQL supports ILIKE. Now let's explore the wildcard characters that make the LIKE operator so powerful. The first is the %sign, %. It represents 0, 1, or multiple characters. It can be used at the beginning, middle, or end of a pattern. For example, a % will match any string that starts with the letter %ind will match any string that ends with ing. And %data% will match any string containing DTA. The second wildcard character is the underscore. It represents exactly one character in a pattern. You can use multiple underscores to match a specific number of characters. For example, H underscore will match hat, hit, and hot, but not heat. Underscore will match formatted dates like 01-30-2023. And underscore R% will match strings that have R as the second character. Let's look at some common pattern examples. To find product names starting with the letters APP, the query would be, select product name from products where product name like single quote APP% single quote. This will match Apple, application, and approach. To find email addresses ending with @gmail.com, the query would be, select email from customers where email like single quote %@gmail.com single quote. This will match john@gmail.com, support@gmail.com, and marketing.team@gmail.com. To find cities with vil in any position, the query would be, select city from addresses where city like single quote %vil single quote. This will match Nashville, Knoxville, Asheville, and Somerville. To find postal codes that follow a specific length pattern, the query would be, select postal code from addresses where postal code like single quote single quote. This will match 123-456, 789-012, and 456-789. Now let's look at how we can combine the wildcards. If you want to find products with the as the second character and ending with ing, the query would be, select product name from products where product name like single quote %, ing single quote. This will match string stating stinging. Next, if you want to find emails with exactly 3 characters before the symbol and ending with .com, the query would be, select email from customers where email like single quote %.com single quote. This will match bob@gmail.com, dev@company.com. Finally, if you want to find product codes with a specific pattern, for example, 2 letters, followed by digits, ending with X, the query would be, select product code from inventory where product code like single quote open square bracket A-Z close square bracket open square bracket A-Z close square bracket %X single quote. This will match AB123X, CD456X, EF7890X. Let's discuss the not like operator. To find products that don't start with a, The query would be, select product name from products where product name not like single quote a percent single quote. To find emails that aren't from the Gmail domain, the query would be, select email from customers where email not like single quote percent at gmail.com single quote. To find addresses without apartment numbers, the query would be, select address from locations where address not like single quote percent space apt percent single quote and address not like single quote percent space unit percent single quote. The not like operator returns records that do not match the specified pattern. It uses the same wildcard characters as the like operator. It is useful for exclusion filtering when you want to omit specific patterns. Let's review some best practices for using the like operator. Pattern searches with leading wildcards such as %text can't use indexes efficiently, causing full table scans. Therefore, instead of where column like single quote %text single quote, use where column like single quote text % single quote. Like operations with wildcards can be resource intensive. For large tables, consider alternate solutions such as full text search indexes, specialized search engines, or precalculated search columns. Use escape characters when searching for literal percentage or underscore characters to avoid treating them as wildcards. For example, where column like single quote 50 \% discount single quote escape / single quote. Also, where column like single quote user / name single quote escape / single quote. Finally, narrow down results by combining like with other where clauses to improve performance. For example, select star from customers where status equals single quote active single quote and created date greater than single quote 2023-01-01 single quote and email like single quote % at gmail.com single quote. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.